Okay, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a long car journey you went on or a long car journey you remember well. Yes.
I went a long car journey with my family from the city of Saudi Arabia to Jordan. It was a 12-hour long drive. We went there to attend my uncle's son's wedding. He invited us to attend the wedding of their son. On our way to on our way on the way to our journey, we find some villages.
We found.
We found some villages. Um, the people of the villages have their own camels.
Had their own
Had
camels.
their own camels. They used to sell camel's milk. We stop our car there and we buy some
We
camels.
bought.
We bought some camel milk, which is very good in taste. After some time, we stayed in a gasoline station to refill our car's petrol. We on the
Okay, so instead of telling all the story, it's a good idea to divide your answer in parts. Number one, where you went. Number two, what you did. Number three, who you went there with. Number four, explain why you went on that journey by car. So you need to go according to the topic. Don't try to fit the whole story because you know it's going to be a bit irrelevant as well. So try to speak according to these topics, it'll be fine. Now we move on to speaking part three. What will cars be like in the future? How will the future cars look like?
they have some more options.
Yeah, there will be flying cars in the future. There will be driverless cars in the
Yes,
future.
driverless
Artificial
car.
intelligence will drive the cars.
Yes.
So, what will cars be like in the future?
In the future, the car there is no need a person to
There
drive.
there will not any need for a driver.
There is no need. There will
Not be any need
there
for a
will
driver.
not be a driver. There will not need a driver to drive a car in the future. So, and there are some more options as well.
Okay, so your answer is incomplete and it's unclear answer. So you need to work hard with part 3. Try to practice all the topics, especially part 3. If you don't have knowledge, you cannot answer the question, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.